Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right. Went to Dollar General to see what was going on. I still wasn't looking too thrilled for the clearance items that they was having. So I just went ahead and did a nice little deal today, which also I did, I used my $5.01 on that P&G that we had gotten, that I had gotten back when I had done my deal last week. But y'all, why is it that when you do the P&G deal, you know, you spend the $5 or whatever, you can spend $5 on not on whatever, it has to be a P&G item. And I thought maybe they would have took off my whole $5, but they did not. They discounted me some money on it. So I'm thinking it's because since I had coupons, it might have discounted. I'm not for sure. I really haven't done the $5 when you spend on the when you get it back from when you was when you did that deal. So if someone can go in my comments, explain to me if I wanted the whole $5 come off. It does discount when you use coupons, or no, it don't discount when you use coupons. Just let me know in my comments down below, okay? Just let me know. But I went ahead and did this deal, and I did come out, and you know, when it's below $5, it's on the low. When it's below $10, it's on the low. So this was on the low, but when I was in the store, to me, it was lower than that. But, you know, sometimes, and my location was at the correct location and everything. So I don't know what was going on today with these digitals. And I mean, all my digitals came off, but as far as that one with the $5, you got to spend $5.01 to get $5 off. I don't know what was going on with that, okay? So let's go ahead and get to this deal. Oh, and I know you're seeing a different background. I'm not at home. I'm at my daughter's, so that's why I'm doing the deal now, because when I get home, I probably wasn't gonna do it. So I had stopped by here because I had to take care of some business. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing I got was the soft soap body wash. Okay, you know that there is a $2.50 off digital coupon. We got it new on the app, and this soft soap is $5.50. That came off. Then on the Palmolive, it is buy one get one free. Yeah, buy one get one free. So it's either the Palmolive or it's the Ajax. So I just went ahead and did the Palmolive. I know you can do, you know, a Ajax and then also a Palmolive and then an Ajax, because then it'll take off, I guess, the $3.50 or the $4. I don't know which one you do first. I forgot how it goes. But I just went ahead and got 2 of the Palmolive's dish soaps, and you know, they was $3 and let's see, 50 cents each. They don't went up because they used to be $3 and something. I forgot, but that it is what it is, you know. So you buy one get one free. So that deal worked. The next thing is this Palmer's complexion bar. I'm gonna move it away. I wasn't gonna get it, but when I was putting it in, you know, scanning it in my app, it was, you know, my subtotal was not all that high than what it is on what I paid for on here. So that's why I went ahead and got this Palmer's Skin Success Complexion bar. So this is, let's see, the Palmolive is $3, and we had $1.50 off digital coupon that did attach. The next thing is the crest. You know, this crest right here has been going strong for weeks. For digitals, okay? This is $3, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that did attach. And I'm thinking this $2, I don't know if I can't remember if I clipped this morning or if it was already on my app and it's about to expire. I can't remember on there, but like I said, this is $3, and there was a $2 off digital coupon that did attach. And then the last thing I got was the Dawn Power Wash. What the coupon is saying is when you buy one of the ones with the trigger, okay, the Dawn Power Wash with the little trigger, you can get the refill free and it's only $3.99, which these are $4 a piece, okay? But it's glitching, and you can get 2 of the refills because I don't need the spray bottles because I got a lot of those. So I just went ahead and got the refills, and it did take it off. It took the $3.99 off. Both of these are $4 a piece. Now it comes in a lemon scent, it comes in a fresh scent, and then also it comes in Gain. My store had a Gain one. I had never seen the Gain one. It might have already been there for a while, but I just didn't never pay attention to it. But yeah, it has Gain on the Dawn for the refill that I seen. So I got these 2, and the $3.99 did come off. Then it actually, the $3.49 from the $5 came off. Only $3.49 came off. The $5 did not come off of my store discount. That's why I couldn't understand why it did that, but hopefully someone can go in my comments and explain to me what happened. Maybe I didn't have enough and it did discount it because of my coupons. I really don't know. But my subtotal was $9.52. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. So everything, see there right there, there is the store discount, $3.49. That's why I couldn't understand. And then there is my total savings, $16.98. And then there is my 5 off of 25 for this Saturday. All right, so the coupons this week are okay. You can get some glitching, So this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Love.